Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Steve and you're watching Ram Beast Projects. This is a family automotive channel where we have beast-like trucks. We got the Mini Beast and the Ram Beast, the Beast. So today, guys, we're heading over to see the guys at 10-8 Emergency Vehicle Services to finish the gauge install, the ISSPRO gauge install. We got our exhaust back pressure gauge. We got our copper piping. We're gonna clean up that wire loom, like I said in a previous video. Got slightly, this is a little bit smaller. This is only a 2-inch nylon loom, so it's a little bit smaller, so it should tighten things up a little bit. Then we got these little guys to run zip ties through to secure the loom to the firewall. And then we got our little gauge pod for over there so we can finish that install. We're also hopefully gonna get to install the RGB Monster Lux lighting system LED pods underneath the truck. And then hopefully by the end of this video, we're at 10K and I can give one of these kits away to one of you guys. I want to give this away. I want to hit 10K. I want to hit 20K. I want to hit 30K. I want to hit 40K, on and on and on and on. But I really want to, I mean, we're like less than 500 subscribers away from 10K, and I really want to give this away. And I'm going to be giving other things away at Motorama if this video goes live before that. But I really love giving back to you guys that support me. I really do. And I'm glad I'm in a position with this. This is a very nice kit for almost a $600 retail value that I get to give to one of you guys. So definitely check out Lux Lighting Systems. So without further ado, let's go visit Nate and the crew at 10-8 Emergency Vehicles. I think Mitch might be making a return to today's video. I haven't seen Mitch in a while. Travis, I think, has to go somewhere. We'll see what kind of crew we got going on today. I'm just gonna let these guys go to town on the truck. They're gonna be doing a bulk of the work, yes. They're gonna be doing a bulk of the work. I'll be helping out and filming where I can. Let's go. Hey guys, we're pulling up to 10-8. I got the wife on the phone. Say hi, babe.
Hello. We're always on the phone with each other.
Not always, just a lot of times when we're pulling up to a shop. I like to talk to the wife before I go in, get pumped up for the install. And this is our Motorama crunch. This is the last, well, this won't be the last big thing because we still got to detail the truck and what have you, but yeah.
You guys, Steve and Motorama are going to be the death of me.
Dude, I can't wait for it to be, well, I just can't wait to get all set up and be done and just enjoy the day.
I know that you're going to have fun and it's going to be awesome once you're there and you're set up and you know you got things under control, but just you like getting ready for it and it being like an unknown right now, you're driving me crazy.
I know, and I appreciate your support, and I appreciate all the subscribers' support. I appreciate 10-8 and all the companies I work with. These guys are all great. They've all been a great help. Hopefully I can talk Nate and some of the guys that come to Motorama to hang out with us. So
yeah.
All right, well, I love you, and I will see you in a few hours.
All right, love you too. Have fun. Tell everybody said hi.
Will do. F-150 action going on here. Looks like a some type of fire department vehicle. Yo, buddy.
Yo.
What's up? It smells like new in here.
You're getting my best side.
You guys smell new cars all day long. Yeah. All day long. Got a little medic unit going on here. Another F-150. Yo, Mitch.
What's up, buddy?
How's life?
It's there.
It's been way too long. Way too long, buddy. Way too long. Check it out. Ready for another install, Pat?
Sure.
Yeah? You ready? You pumped?
Yeah. Yep. It's gonna go better.
It's gonna go better? We added some stuff to this install. Hopefully we'll be able to accomplish it, but it's nice. They went with white, huh? Are they gonna stripe this and everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
With their blue and gold. You know how your cars have like 20 antennas on them?
Yeah.
That's everything all into one.
I know, we've talked about that. I think moving forward with our new upfits for next year, we're gonna go that route. I like that. I like that a lot.
They're salty, but it's a lot cleaner.
Yeah. It's worth it though.
Yep.
Got the A-pillar out already. We're gonna make this plate a little bit bigger, longer per se, and then we're gonna put the other gauge here. But actually all the gauges are gonna shift up. Basically, the boost is gonna go here, the exhaust back pressure, I'm gonna keep the pyro there. But that's where we're at. So this bracket's gonna have to be taken out. We're gonna make a new one. Pat's getting ready to remove the plug in the manifold on the bottom end to install the copper for the drive pressure of the exhaust back pressure gauge. So, and then we're gonna probably keep it coiled up underneath the manifold and then run the copper tubing up here onto the side, the sensor, and then we're gonna replace that wire loom all the way along with a smaller wire loom, as I said in the beginning of the video, and do something a little bit different where the wires are coming down from the loom. Rather than cut the loom, you see right there, there's wires coming down. Rather than cut it, we are going to hopefully have that loom run completely across and just bring like the battery terminal wire down through the loom and zip tie it on each side, rather than cutting it. Everybody, Mitch needs a hug. He's antisocial today.
I'm not being nice.
Do you need a hug? Do you need me to tickle you?
No.
I'll tickle you. I'll tickle you. This one's being a pain to get that plug out. So we're gonna end up taking the whole fender liner off. I think I'm gonna take all the fender flares off anyway because I need to get the rear ones repaired. So I'm gonna end up doing that now. But yeah, I don't think we applied anti-seize when we installed the plug. That could be part of the issue that we're experiencing right now, trying to get that plug out. The flares off. If you guys were ever curious to see what a Bushwhacker fender flare does underneath, there you have it. Mitch has joined the project. He's already starting to run the Monster Lux lighting system RGB pods underneath the truck. The second prototype almost done.
Yep.
It's looking good, buddy. Looking good. So yeah, we're shifting all the gauges up, as you guys can see. Exhaust manifold, we are drilling and tapping because we can't get that plug out. It is seized in there, so we're gonna tap a new one in. Sucks. Mitch is tearing it up, running new wires still. We added the third pod, adjusted the mount, made it a little bit longer. Looks good. You can see them when you're seated in the cockpit. All right, so Pat's got everything tapped. We can't really see now. We got the copper line ran for the exhaust back pressure gauge. Nicely coiled up underneath the manifold leading up to where we're gonna, the sensor right there, if you can see it, there's the copper tubing. Sensor's gonna go right above it. Wiring for that's gonna run across the back of the firewall in our new loom that we're doing. Nate is working on cleaning up this, because we can't have that from Motorama. Hood's gonna be open to see all this. You're gonna need stilts to see it, but it's gonna look good. So now, if you're ever wondering why I come to the experts for wiring, just look at all this. Would you just look at it This is why I come to 10-8 emergency vehicles. This isn't a job that I would want to tackle myself.
This isn't a job I want to have. I don't remember. I never did anything up there.
The wiring that came with the Lux lighting systems for the pods that we mounted all the way in the back, unfortunately they're not long enough to reach up here, so Nate actually spliced them together right here in this wheel well. And we can see the bigger wire loom. They're feeding it up here. And we're gonna wire this a little bit different than the way Lux has it, because they have a lead coming off of here for your switch for this box. We're not gonna use that because the switch is gonna be triggered from the truck's auxiliary switches that are built into it. But all the lighting underneath the truck has been run. Nightmare, guys, nightmare, nightmare. Mitch, where are you going?
I'm going home. Well, I'm going to get beer. Then going home.
Mitch is leaving us in this mess right here.
Yep, sure am.
Yep. Do you know where that wire goes?
No.
Do you know where that one goes?
No.
Do you know where that one goes?
No.
Hey, do you know what those wires are up there for?
We're just gonna start touching stuff together and see what happens.
Pat's running the new loom that we got. So we're gonna run that down as far as we can and bring that across the back of the firewall. We got some mounts for that to go into the firewall. And then we're gonna do some testing here and then clean all this up and finish the gauges and we'll be done. Well, they'll be done. Yep.
Somebody will be done.
Yeah, somebody will be done. Mitch is already done.
I'm out.
Mitch is out. Mitch is gonna go get some cold ones and enjoy the weekend.
He's a part-timer.
He's a part-timer.
I'm all right with that. After what I'm leaving you with, I'm all right with that.
Now you see why I come here. There's absolutely no way. I would be so freaking frustrated with all that going on in there. Nope. Nope. Leave it to the experts. 10-8 Emergency Vehicle Services, New Holland, Pennsylvania. That's what we do. We are done. The gauges are installed. Check it out, guys. Perfectly aligned so I can see them. We installed this a little bit differently from the way the instructions say to install them.
What we did was everything on the driver's side we tied into one set of wires coming up and we put that to one zone. The rest of the stuff towards the front and the passenger side we put on the second zone. So one thing to keep in mind though with these is black is not a ground on these, it's actually a power. These are actually ground switched through the colored wires. So don't just run blacks to a ground stud. We removed the wire that came with it for the switch setup that they had just because we were tying it into one of the upfitter switches on the Ram system up here. So we reran just a single wire out of the activation port in the box to the upfitter switch.
You got your hot and your ground. You grounded it there. All nicely cleaned up. We put the loom in, sensors ran, that's all wired, lights up, it dims. So we're gonna test it on the way home. Hopefully it registers something. And but yeah, that looks much cleaner than it did. I'm still on the fence with this loom. It looks really good over here. I just wish I could find a shorter one that would end like right there. So we end up cutting that loom again. So hopefully it doesn't fray like the last one. But if you guys know of anything or suggest of anything, let me know. But I think it looks very, very good. Very, very good. And guess what, Nate? When we hit 10,000 subscribers, a subscriber is gonna win this Lux lighting system kit. Cool. This exact kit that we installed on the Beast. Someone's gonna win that kit. Thanks, Nate.
You bet.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
He's a trooper. Mitch bailed on us. Mitch said, I had enough, I'm gonna go home. So it's gonna look good for Motorama. We're gonna have the hood open at Motorama so everybody can see all this nice clean wire management, and we'll have the lights going if they let me keep the batteries connected. We'll have all these lights going. It's gonna be cool. Fender flares are gonna be out getting repaired in the meantime. Probably definitely gonna put these things back on the truck. But yes, we're very happy. Look at all this crap. That's what we took out of the truck. That's what we took out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs up anyway. Don't be that guy. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you tap, slap, touch, smash that subscribe button. Whatever you want to do, just do something to that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We love you guys. I'll see you in the next upload. But before that, let's see what this thing looks like at night. Are you ready?
Dun, dun.
we have there is Valentine's. This is Passion Heat.
Hubba hubba. That's how I feel about you.
This is this is the app here, guys. It's pretty cool. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can make your own. Tropical Island. Ocean Breeze. I like Ocean Breeze.
Summer breeze. Makes me
Emergency strobes. You know, you never know when you need to kick those suckers on. Halloween. Woo. It's cold out here, guys.
It is.
Veterans Day. But anyway, very cool. Very cool. Very happy
so
with
cool
it.
At Trunk or Treat.
Trunk or treat, Motorama, shows. It's going to be awesome.
On the beach.
Subscriber will win one of these kits when we hit 10,000.
Wait a minute. Can I subscribe?
You already are. You don't count.
I don't count.
You don't count. A subscriber is going to win one of these kits. It's going to be 12 RGB monster pods with the controller, and you guys
That's
got the
awesome.
same setup as this.
I didn't know that's what that was.
Yep, we got 4 under the bed, 4 under the cab, and 2 in the front.
Well, babe, my 40th is coming up.
Oh, you think your car should get one?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we'll have to talk to Lux, see if they can hook us up with a kit for you.
God, it's freezing out here.
It's freezing. It's freezing, guys. And we got it wired right to the switch. Turn her off. We're good to go.